in a very honest way, like what have you come to know as be smart investments for people's future, right? Because there's a lot out there that can really grab people's attention, but then just suck their wallet dry and be a total, misguided thing to do with their money. So what have you found, like for you personally, like the right avenues to take that are worthy to invest in?
Yeah, I read some investment advice early on in a book when I was just starting, and it said to keep it simple and to only invest in what you know about. So if you don't know about tech stocks and you don't know about technology and that you're not interested in it and you're not willing to take the time to learn about it, then don't invest in the tech sector because it's not something you care about, For me, I'm bigger in real estate and I'm in the market for real estate every day working in it, that I feel comfortable with that. I feel like I know what I'm doing in that area. I feel like I know what questions to ask, so that feels comfortable to me. Whereas other people, they've never even bought their first house or, they've never thought about real estate. So, and if you're not willing to learn about it, it's going to be hard to invest and make good money off of it. It's just like, for me, like you hear about crypto all the time, and I've taken the time to, learn what crypto is and understand it. And for me, it's just, every time I dive in, it doesn't stick. And I just don't have the passion for it or the capacity to want to dig deeper. And so I stay away from it because I'm not interested enough in it to learn more, to be a smart investor in it. And so I kind of take that with all investments.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. And I think that's really good advice. I mean, just if you hear about something, you think it grabs your attention, learn about it first before putting it on.
I think that's the most important. Like I said, I'm not a huge tech person, but tech's pretty interesting to me. So if I was going to go into the avenue of investing into more tech stocks, it'd be interesting. So I would sit down every day and I'd want to learn more about it, which would make me make smarter choices in those tech investments.